So this is the Renault Espace. I replaced this wiper blade. The blade itself is shorter, as is visible here. The rubber is shorter, here's the end. And that creates a problem. It's not wiping here at the sensor. Just to remove the rubber, you have to lift up the center portion somehow. Okay, now the windshield wiper is from the rubber itself. It's from one end to the other end, and it can also reach the sensor which is up there. There's the rain sensor in the windshield.